Hello science students. Today I'm going to help you prepare one of the pages in your rock cycle book. So in front of you, you should have the Igneous rock paper. It looks like what's on my screen right here. You have the rock and then you have the blank lines underneath. What we're going to do today and what your assignment is to go back to your research, which is this page, that you underlined and that you highlighted. Remember, you underlined the definitions and you highlighted the facts. Okay, we're going to add the definition to our paper and we are going to add 2 facts. Now, of course, you can see for igneous rock we have 3 facts. We have them highlighted here in different colors. Maybe on your paper you only use 2 colors, that's fine, but you can see we have 3 facts, but we're only going to use 2. Because that's the assignment. Our assignment is to write down the definition and then to add 2 facts. And I'm going to show you how the igneous rock page should look. So you're basically going to take the page that I've given you and copy what I do on this video. Because for the rest of the pages, you're going to work on this by yourself. Okay? This is the example. So you are expected to learn from this what to do on the rest of the pages. Okay, let's go to our page. The first thing we're going to do is write the word definition. And remember, this is a project. So the expectation is that your handwriting is neat and I can read it. So if some of you are having an issue with moving too quickly, writing too fast, please slow down. So you're going to write the word definition, and we are going to write the definition of igneous rock. So I'm going to go back to my fact and definition sheet, and I'm going to look at the definition. Now you should have this on your desk, so you won't really need to flip back and forth like I have to do right now. So the definition is, igneous rock is made when magma cools and becomes solid either above or below Earth's surface. So let's write that. And igneous, if I could spell it, I guess I can't spell. Good thing there's spell check. An igneous rock forms when, let me go back to my page. When magma cools, oh, I gotta go back and look. Want to get it right. Magma cools, and becomes solid either above or below Earth's surface. Don't worry, I will fix my lines in just a moment. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so I can get it all on 2 lines. There you go. That is your definition. An igneous rock forms, make sure you put the S on forms, when magma cools and becomes solid either above or below Earth's surface. Now you need 2 facts. So before we start with the facts, if you need to pause, please do that. Okay. So I'm going to come down to the next available line. And I'm going to type fact, not fast, fact 1. That means you need to write the words fact and the number 1. Let's go back to our reading. The first thing I see that's a fact says over 700 types of igneous rock exist. Let's write that down. Over 700 types of igneous rock exist. Okay? So hit pause if you need to and write that down. The next thing will be fact 2. So you guessed it, I'm going to write fact 2. I'm going to go back to my facts and research and look for my next fact. It says some examples are basalt, granite, pumice, obsidian, and tuff. Let's write that fact. Some examples are pumice. Look, I already forgot what I read. Pumice, basalt, granite, and they're not in the exact order, but that's okay. Obsidian, and tuff. Okay. Our sheet is complete. At this time, what you will need to do is begin to color your rock. Okay? Just like you did up here. Just like you did up here. However you colored the igneous rock on this page needs to be the same way you color the igneous rock on this page. Okay? So, right now the video will be ending. What you need to do is close your computer, get the colored pencils, and begin to color your rock. When that is done, you will move on to the next video that talks about magma. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.